Okay, Ji. So we are going to proceed on with paper 2019. Fine. Practical one. The reason behind, because I told you that we start from 19th and then we go with 18, 17 one by one. Fine. So 19 practical paper. In the previous class, we have done few questions. Yes, regarding how to find out the least count, how to find the reading, all that. Fine. So in this paper, you have the questions based upon that. This is the paper of 2019. Previous to previous year, you have the questions of that kind. So we are going to proceed with this paper first. Okay? Because it's going to link with your previous class. Okay, are you all able to see this? Are you all able to see the paper in front of you on the screen? Okay. So, children, this you all are very aware of that you have paper 6. There are basically 3 questions in this. Fine. And probably your question number 3 and question number 6 are of physics. Most probably. Like it's not, there can be a little different also. Fine. There can be question number 4 and 8 as well. But basically we have question number 3 and 6 of physics. So, okay, first question you are having of, it's not of physics. Second, third one. Anji. So third question is of physics. So we are going to begin with question number 3. Kindly read it. A student measures the resistance of the unknown resistor. Fine. So what is resistor? Resistor होता क्या है? Resistor is the one which is going to oppose the current. Fine. Whatever the current is flowing in a particular direction, if you don't require the whole of the current, you leave the limited, because every of the appliance requires particular amount of current. Yes, AC requirement is different, a tube requirement is different, fan requirement is different, television requirement is different. Fine. So based upon that, we are using the resistors, which will try to stop the overcurrent. Okay, so chaliye. A student measures the resistance of an unknown resistor. She sets up the circuit as shown in the figure. So you have the circuit in front of you. She places the sliding contact C at the distance L is equal to 10 centimeter from point P and closes the switch. So this is the point. Fine. Where she kept the slider at this point C, and this L is given to you as 10 centimeter. ठीक है? Point P से C तक it is. You have it. The resistance wire कितनी है आपके पास? You have it from P to Q. यही है आपकी wire. Now the slider just reached from P to C, and the distance till here is how much? 10 centimeter. Now the question is that in this case, when she read the readings from the ammeter and voltmeter, it is in front of you. A diagram is given of ammeter and voltmeter. Okay, we will come back to the diagram. Question number 1, read the ammeter scale and record the current. आपने ammeter scale दोबारा check करना है and you have to record the current. So okay, I am bringing back onto the ammeter. Okay. So please check the current and raise your hand. हाँ जी नवजोत।
मैम 0.16 एम्पियर।
0.16
एम्पियर।
okay. What about others? हाँ जी सिंह साकी, Dilpreet, kindly solve it and tell me, else I be going to solve it onto the board as well. Fine, but once do it onto your notebook. How can you find out the value of ammeter? हाँ जी हरकीरत, done?
Yes, ma'am. One gap is equal to ma'am 0.2. Sorry, ma'am, 0.02 ampere.
कितना है? 0.02? नहीं बेटा, ammeter is not 0.02, गलत आ रहा है। नहीं नहीं, I am talking
Ma'am,
about
usually
the reading. Okay, you are telling the least count, yes?
Ma'am, it is 1.16. Sorry, ma'am, 0.16.
हाँ 0.16. अच्छा, you are telling the least count that time. Okay, fine, fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Done. हाँ जी हरकीरत, हरकीरत, may I do it onto the screen?
Use 0.16 now.
आ गया? हाँ जी सिंह साकी, done?
Yes, ma'am, 0.16.
चलिए ठीक है, once I am going to do it onto the screen. Fine. Any confusion, kindly correct that. Okay, so whenever we have to find it out, we will see that in what two values it is placed. It is placed between 0 and 0.2. ठीक है, सबसे पहले लीस्ट काउंट फाइंड करेंगे। लीस्ट काउंट क्या है? हाउ we can find that? 0.2 minus 0, that is from the upper minus the lower, divide by the number of gaps in between. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So you have 0.2 over 10. That is what? That is 0.02. Fine. So this is your least count. अब value कैसे निकालोगे? What is the lower limit out of 0 and 0.2? Which is the lower limit? It is 0 plus your least count, that is 0.02 multiply by the number, the line on which it is. So it is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So this is the 8th line. Fine. Now just solve this. 0 plus 0.02 multiplied by 8. This is 0.16. So your answer is 0.16. Anji, please note it down. Note it down onto your notebook. And I'm going to check your notebooks one by one, where you're writing it. Okay, this is of 1 mark question. Fine. So you have to solve it in the extra space given to you and you have to write the answer. Now, if they will be providing you the space also, then you have to solve it there in the space provided, in the actual space. Hanji, done? Chalo. Let's move on. Okay. So, ampere unit is already written. You just have to put the value over here. That is 0.16. Now, the next question is read the voltmeter scale. Now, you have to look onto the voltmeter scale. I will take you back there and find out the reading. The reading for 30 is given, 50 is given, 70 is given, 90 is given. 10 की reading find करनी है. Fine. And what the diagram they have given you above, that is when it is 10, है ना? L कितना given है यहाँ पे? 10 given है. So okay, find out the value of voltmeter. Find out the value of voltmeter, please. Find out the least count. See children, it's not ke paper mein they are just saying to write the answer, so we will only do that because we are not solving only this paper. We are practicing for the papers coming ahead. So in that question, what we are able to cover, we will do that. Fine. And once if you do it all correctly, your exam is going to be easy then. So it's not they are just asking for answers, so we'll just write that. We will solve it and show it that how we get it. Anji, so what is the value? Anji Navjot.
Ma'am, 0.9 volt.
0.9 volt. Okay. Can you show the notebook? Very well done. Good. And the others, Singh Sakhi, Harkirat, Dilpreet, you got the answer? Chalo. How you have to solve this? The same method. See on which it lies. सबसे पहले least count निकालेंगे. You can have the least count from here, the first two also, or between any two, because the scale is going to be equally at all the points. Okay. So upper minus lower, that is 1 minus 0.8. Divide by number of gaps in between. So this is 1 and 2. 2 gaps, that is 0.2 over 2. That is 0.1. Now we have to find the reading. 0.8 और 1 में से lower limit कौन सी है? That is 0.8. So 0.8 plus least count is 0.1 multiply by which line? After 0.8, this is the first line. There is only one line, by the way. So first line. 0.8 plus 0.1 multiplied by 1 is 0.1. So that gives you 0.9 volt. Fine. So you got the answer as 0.9. Chalo. Moving on. So here you are going to write the answer as 0.9 in the space. Chaliye, B part. She repeats the procedure using the values again and again. She repeated by using the values at 30, 50, 70 and 90 centimeters. She opens the switch after that. Her results are shown in the table. So we have the table where we have all the results written. On the grid provided, plot the graph V against L. That is the voltage against the length. Fine. And start both the axes from origin. Axis की starting कहाँ से होनी चाहिए? Origin से होनी चाहिए. चलिए, let's draw the grid. Draw the graph onto your notebook. I'm going to show you the table. So this is the grid. Fine. You can have it roughly onto your notebook for the timing and do it. So this is the table in front of you. Use the table and draw the graph. Harkirat, switch on your camera. Hanji beta, after you do it, please give a thumbs up. We are going to discuss it then. Kindly make sure the points given to you, the axis must start from origin. Fine, 0, 0. And it has to be V versus L. And it is written there V on the vertical axis. So, ulta mat kar dena. The V has to be on vertical axis, L on the horizontal. The graph starts from origin. Okay, what the value of V we got, I am going to write it over here in the table. Although you have written it on your notebook. Hanji, Navjot, Harkirat, Dilpreet, is it done? Okay, Singh Saki, you have done it. You can click a pic of it and send me, okay? You're not able to? Right now you're not able to? Acha, okay, no issues, no issues.
Soon right now.
No problem. Okay, Navjot also done. Dilpreet, speed up. No problem. Give a try, then we are going to do it. Yes, Dilpreet. Going to do it onto the screen. Fine. Where you are facing problem, you can please understand that. Okay. So, okay, this is your grid. Fine. They are saying that vertical axis mein you are going to write V. Fine. Vertical axis. Which is your vertical axis? Vertical axis कौन सा होता है? X side और Y side? हाँ जी सिंह साखी.
Y side.
This is Y side. ठीक है? So on Y side you are going to have the values of V, and on X axis you are going to have the value of length. लेंथ की वैल्यू कहां से कहां तक जा रही है? इट गोज फ्रॉम 10 to 90. V की वैल्यू 0.9 से लेके 1.9 तक. फाइन. सो 10 to 90 वी कैन हैव इट ओवर हेयर. स्टार्टिंग 0 से करनी है, सो दिस इज गोइंग टू बी 0. फाइन. देन वी कैन हैव इट after 5 of the lines, we can have it 10, 1 2 3 4 5 20 30 this way. So it is 10, then 20, then 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, and this is 90. Fine. Next is you have vertical axis voltage. Voltage start हो रही है 0.9 से लेके it goes till 1.9. So what we can have for this is can we have a gap of 2 2? Fine. Lines. Okay. And each gap, हाँ जी सिंह साखी, each gap is क्या क्या numbers लिखे हैं on the vertical axis?
मैम मैंने 0.9 से शुरू करके फिर 1 तक, फिर 1.1, फिर 1.2 ऐसे किया है.
0.9 से start किया है?
यस मैम 0.9 से ही मैंने स्टार्ट किया, उसके बाद फिर
नहीं, see,
1
it is given in the question that your origin will start from 0. है ना?
मैम नहीं, मतलब 0 ही लिखा है इधर नोटबुक पर, ओरिजिन 0 लिखा है, उसके बाद डायरेक्ट 0 के बाद मैंने 0.9 लिखा है.
You can't do that because जो आपके ये जो differences होते हैं, all the lines which are going to draw, that has to be of same size, है ना? So your first length is having a difference of 0.9. The rest of the lines are having difference of 0.1, 0.1. So you understand what I say? बस यही आपको मेन चीज समझनी है. Okay, anybody else? हाँ जी नवजोत. How can you do it?
मैम वहाँ पे किंक बनाकर कर सकते हैं.
Yes. What Singsaki you have done is very correct. जो आपने किया है वो सही किया है, गलत नहीं है. But you are not directly going to write it. Fine. यहाँ तो आप 0 से start करो, फिर 0.1, 0.2, 3 प्रॉपर करो. But then you have to draw a lot, और वो जो नीचे 0.9 से नीचे जो स्पेस है दैट इज ऑफ नो यूज, है ना। सो दैट इज व्हाई आपने 0.9 से स्टार्ट किया, बट ऐसे नहीं करोगे. व्हाट यू डू इज, दिस इज द एक्सेस, here it is written 0 0, fine. After that 2-3 of the lines you are going to leave it, and you are going to draw a kink over here like this, a zigzag type. What this means के 0 से लेके 0.9 के सेंटर में जो जो लाइंस थी, you hide those lines. फाइन, आपने उनको हाइड कर दिया. उसके बाद आप 0.10, 0.11 ऐसे लिख सकते हो. अंडरस्टूड? हाँ जी दिलप्रीत, इज दिस क्लियर? इफ यू डायरेक्टली राइट इट तो वो गलत हो जाएगा बच्चा. हाँ, अगर आप किंक ड्रॉ कर रहे हो इट मींस यू हैव हिडन दोस लाइंस. आपने उतना पोर्शन आपने गलत नहीं किया, बट यू हाइड दैट पोर्शन. You try to hide that portion. Fine. So how it is going to be? This is your 0. Then you can have it till here. यहाँ पे आप एक kink बना दो. Fine. This is your 0.9. उसके बाद आप अपने पॉइंट शुरू कर दो. Let's say 1, 2. यहाँ पे हम लिख देते हैं 1.0. Fine. देन ये सेंटर छोड़ देते हैं. फोर्थ लाइन पे हम लिख देंगे 1.1 like this, and then you are going to draw the graph. Okay, चलिए, what the graph you have drawn you are going to share. दिलप्रीत, हाँ जी क्लियर हुआ? दिलप्रीत प्लीज unmute yourself and tell me that where you are facing problem.
वो ही था कि मैम लाइक वो मैम वर्टिकल एक्सिस पर मैम वो 1.1 मैम वो इतना नहीं था, तो मैम वो उसमें डाउट था मैम.
अच्छा ओके, बाकी ड्राइंग में कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं आएगी. आफ्टर दैट व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, यू हैव टू सी द पॉइंट्स गिवन. यहाँ पे जैसे आपको लेंथ गिवन है 10, सो यू विल चेक 10 कहाँ पे है. देन हेयर यू विल बी हैविंग 0.9. So in front of that, wherever it is, the lines they join, that is your first point, है ना? Similarly, you will find out the second point. Similarly, you will see the third point, and then your graph will be complete. And next thing they are saying to you is, next question along with this graph is, अच्छा ये जो आपको ग्राफ ड्रॉ करना था, this is of 3 marks. Fine. If you have done anything wrong into it, like आपने 0 0, because they told you that start from origin. So if you have not done that, there will be deduction. Vertical axis पे V has to be there, so you have to do that. Fine. चलिए. After that, there is one more question. Draw the best fit straight line. What do you mean by this? Best fit straight line. हाँ जी बच्चा.
मैम उनके मैम जो भी पॉइंट्स हैं उनको मैम स्ट्रेट लाइन से कनेक्ट करेंगे. और मैम लाइक नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन में उन्होंने मैम पूछा होगा कि मैम उससे 0.10 वाले की मैम रेजिस्टेंस फाइंड करो मैम.
हाँ, तो फिर आप रेजिस्टेंस फाइंड करोगे. अच्छा, सबसे पहले ये बेस्ट फिट की बात कर लेते हैं. बेस्ट फिट में लेट्स से यू हैव 1 पॉइंट ओवर हियर, सेकंड पॉइंट समवेयर हियर, थर्ड पॉइंट हियर, फोर्थ पॉइंट हियर, फिफ्थ पॉइंट हियर. So you have to draw one straight line which will cover maximum of the points. Like I can have it this way. If I am going to join these 2 points, तो ये 2 ही points cover हुए हैं, and we will not get the straight line covering maximum. हमने वो line बनानी है which is going to cover maximum of the points. So you can have it in this way. Now 1 point is out of the track, but rest all are almost covered. 1 or 2 are out of track, rest all are covered. Yes, so that is the best fit. You have to draw a straight line covering maximum of the points under it. After that, they say that find out the resistance. रेजिस्टेंस कैसे फाइंड करोगे? फॉर्मूला आपको दिया हुआ है, यू जस्ट हैव टू पुट द वैल्यूज एंड यू हैव टू गेट द आंसर. इंटरसेप्ट फाइंड करना है, ट्राई इट. हाँ जी सिंह साकी, एनी क्वेश्चन? डन. हाँ जी नवजोत, एनी क्वेश्चन बेटा? चलिए दिलप्रीत, चलिए. There are 2 questions of physics in your this paper 6, and basically it is of 20 marks. We will be having question number 3 of 10 marks, और ये जो question number 6 है, this is also of 10 marks. Fine. So we have done half of the paper. हमने एक question complete किया है. So half paper we have done. Question number 6 we are going to do in the next class. You are going to check this question once. Fine. You know from where you have to download this? And I suggest if you are going to have the PDF or you are going to have the print of it, please go ahead so that you can do it side by side. Fine. चलिए. Go with question number 3 once again. एक बार उसको revise करना, and then you are going to try the question number 6. We will continue with question number 6 in the next of the class. Okay. Dilpreet, you raised your hand. You need to ask something. Okay. Chaliye. God bless you. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.